Hello guys, welcome to Dotnet Tutor and welcome to HTML Real-Time Part 3. In this video, we will see how to write content in different formats like if you write any text or paragraph, how to write in bold format, italic format and how to mark that particular text, how to highlight or mark that particular word or sentence. And in this video also we can see how to comment unnecessary code in HTML. So let's get started. Now I am going to open Visual Studio Code. If you don't know how to install VS Code, and I already did a tutorial regarding installation of different .NET tools. You can refer in playlist of .NET Tutor. Okay, actually I created this example before. Now we will create together like I am creating a new file. So just create a new file with the name HTML example 4 dot. We have to give some extension HTML or HTML also, no problem. Just enter on it. See, it is created file with HTML EG4. So this file is in HTML easy folder, which is in my folder, nothing but here HTML easy. In this folder we have HTML EG4, EG3. Okay, you can simply, if you have any files, if you want to open folder, you have to click here for new folder. If you want to open, then you can open like this. Suppose I want to open a folder, this. Open folder, click on it and select that folder. It's already opened. So this is the process, and start working on that file. We have created HTML EG4 file. So let's start coding in HTML. So this is what the beauty of VS Code. If you write starting tag, it is automatically closed. So in this HTML I am writing body tag. See, this is called intelligence or suggestions. We have discussed in the features of VS Code in the previous video. If you don't if you didn't watch, you can watch in the playlist .NET tools. So I am writing here some heading. Heading is nothing but h1. Close that. I'm writing HTML part 3. So in this we can write some paragraph with different formats. In the paragraph, this is the normal text. So I want to display this text as bold format. So I am writing B. B is nothing but bold format. So this text should be within the bold tags. So I'm cutting Ctrl X, Ctrl V. So I'm putting this text between B and B tag. So I want the same text in italic format, so I'm copying that one, and here I want to display in italic format, so I'm clicking I. Now pasting the text. So another paragraph with the text italic format. Now I'm putting another paragraph with the same text, but I want to mark part 3 as I want to highlight this part 3. Then what should we do? We can do, we have mark tag. See, IntelliSense is showing mark if you type one or two characters. Then select this one and close that tag. Automatically another tag is closed. So I want to display part 3 between the mark, so I want to highlight this one. So this is how the formatting will be done. So let's save this. Control S. After saving, you can go to the folder with HTML EG4. Just double click on it. Select Chrome. Okay. See, this is the heading. This is the bold format, and this is the italic format, and this is the text with the highlighting. This part 3 is highlighted, and if you want, if you think like I don't want 3 paragraphs in the one paragraph only, I want to write these all formats, then what should we do? Let me write, if I don't want these 2 lines in the code, later I can use this, but presently I don't want. What should we do? Like we no need to be deleted. If you delete, if you want again, then it will be time consuming to write again. So you can comment these 2 lines of code. Just right click on it, or simply you can use a shortcut Control K C. You can comment how many lines. If you select the lines of code you don't want, then you want to comment, then Control K C. If you uncomment, Control K U. It is uncommented. See, and if you want to comment manually, then you can write like less than exclamatory mark hyphen hyphen. This is the comment part. If you want to mark this line between the comment, then if you can write in the ending like hyphen hyphen and close greater than symbol. So this between these, the code written between these will be commented. So you can follow either of the ways. Though presently I am commenting this part also, this Control KC, and I want to copy this italic format in the same paragraph, but I want to same paragraph but a different line. If you want to display that in different format, we have to break that line with BR tag. So I break, and I want another break. Then you can paste italic format, and I am putting another break. So I want line break, so it will come under the different line. So I'm copying again this text, not with the comments. Paste here. Let's see, save this. Let's save this and run again. Go to the folder and run this. See, within the same paragraph it came. You can see the code. We didn't mention, we mentioned only single paragraph. So within the same paragraph we have written different formats, and if you change anything, suppose I change heading again, .NET tutorial, just save it. If you want to reflect that change, you can directly refresh for new latest changes. See, if you refresh, the new changes is affected. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you learned something new, and please stay tuned on this .NET Tutor channel for more .NET and other technology videos. So thank you very much.